Ever wondered what happens when you commit to 50 sit-ups a day? It sounds simple enough, right? Just drop to the floor and start crunching. Whether you're a fitness newbie or a seasoned gym goer, adding 50 sit-ups to your daily routine can be a game changer. But what exactly changes? Let's dive in and explore the journey of those 50 sit-ups. At first glance, 50 sit-ups might seem like a small number. However, if done consistently, they can lead to significant improvements in your overall fitness. The beauty of sit-ups is their simplicity and the minimal equipment needed. All you need is a bit of floor space and a commitment to stick to your plan. Each sit-up engages multiple muscle groups, from your lower abs to your hip flexors. This daily routine not only strengthens your core but also enhances your overall stability. The core is the powerhouse of the body. By doing 50 sit-ups a day, you are targeting this crucial area, leading to stronger abdominal muscles. A strong core is essential for everyday activities and athletic performance. It supports your spine, improves balance, and enhances your overall physical endurance. Improving posture is another significant benefit. Regular sit-ups can help counteract poor posture by strengthening the muscles that support your spine. Additionally, sit-ups can boost your metabolism. By engaging in this daily exercise, you are effectively burning calories and increasing your metabolic rate. Lastly, the mental benefits of a strengthened core shouldn't be overlooked. Regular physical activity, including sit-ups, can improve mood and reduce stress. Let's get into the nitty-gritty. How many calories can you burn with 50 sit-ups a day? On average, a person can burn approximately 10 calories for every minute of moderate intensity sit-ups. So, if you take about 5 minutes to complete your 50 sit-ups, that's around 50 calories burned. The muscle groups targeted by sit-ups include the rectus abdominis, obliques, and hip flexors. The rectus abdominis is the primary muscle worked during sit-ups, giving you that toned look over time. Your obliques, which run along the sides of your abdomen, also get a workout, contributing to a well-rounded core strength. Sit-ups also improve cardiovascular fitness. As a compound exercise, they get your heart rate up, providing a mild aerobic workout. This can improve heart health and increase stamina. Section 4. Wisdom from the pros' expert opinions. Fitness experts often emphasize the importance of core exercises, and sit-ups are a staple. According to Jillian Michaels, a renowned fitness trainer, sit-ups are a fundamental exercise that can help build a strong core, which is essential for overall fitness and health. Dr. Stuart McGill, a professor of spine biomechanics, suggests that while sit-ups are effective, it's crucial to perform them with proper form to avoid injury. He states, "It's not about how many you do, but how well you do them." Quality over quantity ensures safety and effectiveness. Moreover, many athletes incorporate sit-ups into their routines. Serena Williams, for instance, includes core exercises like sit-ups to enhance her performance on the tennis court. However, it's not just about the professionals. Personal trainers often recommend sit-ups to clients looking to improve core strength and overall fitness. Section 5. Busting myths, common misconceptions. One of the biggest myths about sit-ups is that they alone can give you a six-pack. While sit-ups do target the abdominal muscles, achieving a six-pack usually requires a combination of factors, including a balanced diet and overall body fat reduction. Another misconception is that sit-ups are bad for your back. When performed incorrectly, they can indeed strain the lower back. However, with proper form and technique, sit-ups can strengthen the back muscles and improve spinal health. Some people believe that more is always better. Doing 100 sit-ups a day might sound impressive, but without proper form, it can lead to injury. It's better to start with a manageable number, like 50, and focus on doing them correctly. Section 6. A lighthearted look. Urban humor and relatable scenarios. Imagine you're at a party, and someone challenges you to a sit-up contest. You confidently accept, knowing you've been doing 50 sit-ups a day. As you drop to the floor, someone jokes, "Do you get a six-pack with that?" You laugh and reply, "No, but I can hold a plank longer than you can hold your drink." Picture this. You're on a video call, and you mention your daily sit-up routine. Suddenly, everyone wants to join in. You all end up doing sit-ups together, laughing and cheering each other on. It turns into a fun, impromptu workout session, proving that fitness can bring people together, even virtually. Section 7. Consistency is key, a motivational conclusion. In the grand scheme of fitness, consistency trumps intensity. Doing 50 sit-ups a day may seem small, but over time it leads to significant improvements. It's about building a habit and sticking with it. The journey of fitness is a marathon, not a sprint. Each sit-up is a step towards a healthier, stronger you. Remember, the benefits of sit-ups extend beyond physical appearance. Improved posture, enhanced core strength, and better mental health are just a few of the perks. Embrace the process and celebrate the small victories along the way. Every sit-up counts.